So friends, welcome to Crypto Guru channel. This video I will share you listen more updates about Maga Trump coin, its price prediction, that when we can see its new all-time high, because right now Super Trump and Donald Trump, these all politified meme coins are pumping here more than 2x profits since last 24 hours. So is it possible that we can see same profit from Maga Trump coin or not? So video will be very special, very important. You have to just for the come to here. So friends, right now I also buy this meme coin for short term. Okay, maybe I can hold this meme coin. Okay, for long term also. But right now I buy this meme coin for short term. When my this amount will be in maybe 4 to 5x from here, then I will sell half of my portfolio. Because friends, I think it's possible that we can see Binance listing also. Is right now this meme coin is dumped here too much. Okay, but friends, it's also possible that we can see Maga Trump coin listing on Binance because Donald Trump is new US president and this meme coin is on Trump theme. So maybe it's possible that we can see Trump coin listing on Binance in coming weeks or in coming months here. Because everyone was thinking that when Donald Trump will be the next US president, then this meme coin will skyrocket here. But friends, it's not like that. Maybe we have to wait for a few more weeks or for a few more months here. After that, Binance can list this meme coin and then this meme coin can skyrocket here. You can see still we have more than 13,000, okay, more than 15,000% up the install time low and 90% down the install time high. Install time high was $17. We are almost 15x, also 15x down the install time high. Okay, so when this meme coin will make new all-time high, then this can give us a huge profit here. And this meme coin was not rugged as everyone was saying when this meme coin dumped here from $4 to $1.5. Then everyone was crying here that Trump coin is a scam or something like that. But I told you at that time this meme coin was not dumped here due to heavy selling from high wallets. So okay, this meme coin was dumped, otherwise there's no any other issue. You can see friends, Donald Trump is still holding this meme coin. Seventh number wallet, okay, wallet number 7 belongs to Donald Trump, and this wallet has 1.2% of supply. So this is good, and its supply is also burned 2.6%. Wallet number 4 is dead wallet, okay, where this meme coin is 2.6% holding, and this meme coin is burned is 2.6% supply. So this is good, and already this has only 45 million coins. Okay, only 45 million coin is in circulation, and out of them 2.6 percent, okay, 2.6% tokens are burned. So I think this is big bang update from this meme coin. Current market cap is $78 million. Last 24-hour trading volume is $22 million. This is good. And friends, still this meme coin is no listed anywhere. Okay, no on KuCoin, no Crypto.com, no Binance Coinbase, no anywhere. But friends, it's possible that we can see its major central exchange listing soon. Okay, it's possible that we can see this meme coin listing on all major central exchanges because high market cap, high trading volume, qualify meme coin. So it's possible that right now maybe central exchanges can list this meme coin, okay, now today or tomorrow, maybe in coming weeks or in coming months. And friends, as I already show you my holdings, so I will sell my half of coins, okay, when this meme coin will be 3 to 4x from current market or current price. But my remaining coins I will hold for long term also. What's your price prediction about Maga coin? Do you think this meme coin can make new all time high in coming weeks, and Binance exchange will list this or not? You can must comment down below.